Jackie boy, yellow card.
Yellow card.
Use of executive toilets. Rule 123 CDM. You've been using those toilets.
One in one, aye. It's a dog's one.
Was it for a pee or a poo?
Push the chair now.
Yeah?
Push the chair.
It says 1 day ban from site.
Huh?
Commencing the 8th to the 7th. Well, the 8th to the 7th now. Yellow
Yeah.
card. Well, a 1 day ban will be tomorrow. Yellow card. You and your supervisor must attend the site. Next site induction. You are required to repeat your method statement briefing and irrelevant toolbox talks. This yellow card will expire after 12 weeks. Further breaches within this period may result in the issue of a red card. You are reminded of the responsibilities under the Health and Safety Act 1974 and associated regulations with CDM, which require you to work in a safe manner and due regard of the health and safety of yourself and others. Then you use the flipping Lord's toilet.
Sorry, I didn't know. You did?
As a result of your behaviour, your supervisor may be issued. I might be issued with a yellow card now. As a result of your behaviour, your supervisor may be issued with a yellow card. I might get one.
Sorry, Paddy.
You have been issued with this card because you have violated site health and safety rules and procedures that are committed in unsafe act or behaviour relating to health and safety issues. When did you dig it?
Just in time, just now. The door was open and I shouted a quick word and left. Didn't think I would think it was a road for it, not then.
Red cards will now have you excluded from this site due to actions of behaviour. So obviously flipping Mickey Senior in the toilets. Just sign that. Just sign that. Just sign that just to say that I've read it to you. And date it. The date ban will be tomorrow anyway. You're not working, are you?
No.
So you'll be alright there. Okay, chap.
Sorry, okay.
Hey, boss, so alright. Thanks a lot. As long as I didn't get a yellow card, mate, I'll be hoping for you. See ya.